Hey guys, thanks for checking out our Paleo meal plan. Paleo is one of the most popular diets worldwide, and it's built around eating like our Paleolithic ancestors ate. Right now I'm going to walk you through what you get in the box from Trifecta every week, as well as what comes in the packages themselves. The food gets delivered nationwide every week on Friday. It comes in a refrigerated case that looks just like this one, and it lasts for 72 hours in transit. We ship nationwide for free in 48 hours, so you'll get the food long before you have to get it in the refrigerator. Inside the box, you'll receive a number of trays of the meals themselves. On the meals, they'll give you an example of all of the calories, the macronutrient breakdowns, and the ingredients that are in every meal. All of the ingredients will be things you recognize, like chicken, fish, broccoli, etc. The Paleo meal plan itself is built around eating like our Paleolithic ancestors did over 10,000 years ago. It'll be predominantly composed of meat, vegetables, some nuts, seeds, and minimal refined carbohydrates and oils. It tends to be a higher protein diet that's lower carb and medium in fat. It's great for weight loss, but we tend to not recommend it for really high performance athletes because it is lower in carbohydrates. Here's an example of what it looks like on a plate. It's a really full meal. I weigh 200 pounds. I promise it will fill you up. And our Paleo meal plan is delivered nationwide every week on Friday. You can order any number of meals if you want to order one meal a day for all 7 days of the week, or if you want to order 3 meals a day or 4 meals a day for all 7 days a week. It's easy to select it from the product selector to your right. If you have any additional questions about the plan, feel free to reach out to our customer service via chat, social media, the website, phone, etc. All of the food that we produce is 100% USDA organic, gluten, dairy, and soy free, which tend to be the 3 largest allergens we run into. It's also wild caught, grass-fed, and animal welfare level 5. Wild caught and grass-fed results in a better omega-3 to omega-6 ratio and usually a lower ratio of protein to fat in the proteins that we ship. Animal welfare level 5 means that the animals live on the same farm their entire lives. They have indoor-outdoor access. It's really the opposite of factory farming, which is what we believe in as a company. If you want to check it out, please check out our Paleo meal plan on the website and ask customer service any additional questions you have. Thanks, guys.